Yes. That is so good.
There ain't nothing wrong with a little food fusion sometimes, people. Crossing cultures is how you get the best of both worlds. Sometimes you just gotta have fun with it.
Guys, as we're stir frying, we need to make sure that our oil on our pan is super hot. Don't start cooking until you see the smoke.
So today I decided to cross my passion for Jamaican food and my love for a British Chinese classic, chow mein.
Once your beef is nice and crispy, it's time to remove it from the pan.
And there's something just so exhilarating and fun about stir frying. You can make the most tastiest, most delicious dinner in about 5 minutes if you got your prep done right beforehand. And that's why I love doing it. Guys, you gotta do this too. Trust me, trust me.
As my mum always says, sometimes your eye bigger than your belly.
This beef chow mein just hit the damn spot. So guys, if you're looking for some inspiration for dinner tonight, once again, I've got you.
This is all mine. I'll see you lot later.